Hi everyone, we're going to Cancun. Hey everyone, welcome to Bubblina's Adventures. Today we are heading to Cancun, Mexico to go to the Royalton Splash Rivera Resort. As usual, the vlog will start in the airport where we're trying to figure out where our flight is. So our flight got delayed a lot and we went to like the wrong gate because they gave us the wrong gate number. So now we have to like walk really far. We went through TSA twice. Yeah, it's so annoying. Anyway, we're going back now to
but now we're in some like underground tunnel.
Yeah, it's like kind of cool. Wait, let me show you. It's so sketchy. I feel like I'm gonna get like kidnapped.
And I don't know where the gate is actually.
Yeah, hopefully we can get on flight.
No, we'll make it.
We'll make it.
Yeah, we'll make it.
Yeah. Look, this is the gate. Oops. This is the gate.
So fun.
So fun. Look at how cool this is. Hey everyone, we can finally board the plane now. Yay! Hi everyone. So we're in Cancun now, and we got off the plane.
We got our bags.
Basically, we have our bags.
That's what
we're going
it said.
Yeah, we are going to head over to like one of the buses to head to our resort, which is the Royalton Splash. So let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, guys, we're like in line, like waiting to get on the buses or sign in or something like that. This is the one we're going on. We made it! Yeah! Whoa! Hey everyone, so we are at the sports bar right now.
Hey guys.
And we got like a Shirley Temple and pina colada with no alcohol, and we're like waiting for our food now, but it's been so cold.
It's been like 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
So just like keep that in mind when you guys come. Okay, bye. Hey everyone.
Hey Bubbles.
So we ordered a mac and cheese and these tater tots. It's kind of, the tater tots are really good. Yeah, the tater tots are really recommend. But the mac and cheese is a bit bland for sure.
It's a little dry, but
so
it's okay.
We'll keep you updated on the sports bar food. Here's a quick look at the dessert at the sports bar. And after this, since it's still pretty early and not that close to our dinner reservation, we just quickly headed over to the buffet where we got some food. So here's someone making us some noodles. So what she does is she cuts it up and then she'll like put some noodles and some sauce, and it was actually pretty good. This is our room. It's so nice. And then here's like the shower. And then this is the shower, or one of them is the bathroom. So we have this, and you walk through, and ta-da! And we have a balcony. Wow! Oh my gosh, you can see like the water park outside, the slides. That's so cool. And yeah. All right, everyone. So after our like first meal at the sports bar, we went to our rooms, and now we're going to be heading out to the steakhouse for another dinner. So this time we booked a dinner, so we like dressed up a bit. So I'm wearing this like skirt, she's wearing this dress. So yeah, we're gonna like go take a quick walk before we go, and then we're gonna go eat steak. I'm pretty like kind of full, but I'm also kind of hungry, so let's eat. This is the gift shop, I think. So as we were heading to the steakhouse, we see that they're playing Minute to Win It, which I think happens quite often, so you guys should definitely check it out when you go. Finally, we booked a reservation on the app to eat at this steakhouse, and it was pretty delicious. Thank you so much for watching our first travel vlog to Cancun. Make sure to like and subscribe, and be ready for the second part next week. See you then. Bye!